Good morning, good people. Welcome back to my channel, The Nature and the Wild. So, it's been so long. I was in Netherlands and it was so cold out there. And now that I'm in my hometown in India, it's been few days I'm here. And today, I decided to go and visit the local bird sanctuary, which is very near to my house. And it's called like Sarovar in Hindi, which is based in, also known as Keetham Jheel. And this is, you can see the whole place outside here, the water space, lot of different birds are here. So today I decided to come out and take my camera with Canon R7 with the Canon RF 100 and 500 and decided to go out and take some lovely pictures. So, and I also thought that it will be a very good adventure for you guys to see on the YouTube how the Indian birding season look like. It's cold here, winter just started in December. Not that cold, you can see the sun is shining, and this is the time when this place, the Sarovar, is full of lot of migrant birds. During their migrations, they come here and they make their nest, the nesting here. So today I'm here for very special birds like the pelican and flamingo, and there is a white spotted eagle, so which I still need to find out what is their most nesting place out here. So stay with me guys, I will give you some adventures, some more information during this journey. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back. Yeah, it's been almost like 3 hours we are in this forest, and then this place is like, now the sun is a little bit shining. It's getting a little warmer since morning. It was so cold, and I saw a couple of different birds out there. A lot of water birds, and those are mostly migrant birds, and come here, stay here, and then they move to the next destination. A lot of cormorants, snake cormorants, and then I see spoonbill, and then pelican. So I have a couple of nice pictures which I'm going to put inside the video, and hope you will like it. By the way, again, this place name is Keetham Sarovar, which is based in India, around about 1 hour by a motorbike from Agra. The famous Taj Mahal is there, and towards is Mathura. So it's between there. It's a very huge forest, very nice. A lot of different kinds of birds. Searching for a very special spotted eagle. Every year people see it here, and flamingo, but this is basically the flamingo tower where you should stay, and you see the flamingo behind you. but I don't see any flamingo this year. But I'm gonna wait till the evening, most probably by evening around 5, not 5, maybe around 3, 4, when it's getting a little bit darker, more birds will come across the shore. And yeah, it's been quite nice little adventure so far. Something about this gear, so I'm pretty happy with this new Canon RF 100 and 500, which serves me really well. I normally, most of the time, I connect it with the 1.4x RF extender. That's also really nice, pairing with R7. Fast autofocus and works really perfect with this kind of situation. Very good light, aperture of 7.1, doesn't stop you. So that is the beauty of this kind of country. You know, when you go to a tropical country, you have a lot of sun. And when you have a lot of sun, it doesn't matter what kind of lens you are. At 7.1, some of us say, oh, it's a very low aperture and how it will work in the low light situation. But when it's a bright light, I go the ISO is 320, 400, max to 500 in the morning. And right now, the sun is almost on my head. And it's absolute marvelous pictures I'm getting. So guys, stay tuned with me. I'll give you some more adventure tour and then we'll conclude this video.